Hello and welcome to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. I've been showing you this video teasing that I'm going to be doing a length reveal. It's March, so I'm going to be showing you the current length of my hair. So let's get into today's video. Just want to say welcome back to everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going to be giving you some general hints and tips while you also watch the video showing you my length. I want to say the actual measurements will be in another video, so do look out for that. But you can see actually where my hair falls, and I'll be explaining to you where how I feel about the current length and what I'm going to be progressing to get to waist length. So as you know, I've been on this hair journey for quite a while, and the very first lesson that I've learned and what's helped me to really grow my hair to the current length is I need to get to know my own hair. Yes, I watch YouTube videos, I go on various forums, and I listen and I watch other people's hair journey, but my hair really started to thrive when I got to know my own hair. Getting to know my own natural hair has really allowed me to grow my hair. I encourage you to write down, various points and journal your hair care and really what's going on with your own hair. Next up, incorporating Ayurveda into your regimen. My hair really transformed when I started to do DIY mixes and Ayurveda mixes, and I've shared very many of those mixes on my channel. Do go ahead and check out my DIY playlist where I've documented quite a lot of successful recipes there. So do go ahead and check that out and tailor make these again to your own needs. Perhaps you see a nice DIY treatment, but you might try it on your hair and it doesn't work. Try and tailor make that to your own hair. That's really allowed me to transform my hair, turning it around, and it's growing so much by incorporating those natural ingredients into my hair care. Next up, your natural hair will grow if you set goals, achievable goals that can be achieved, something that motivates you. Now, I've done quite a few videos on my channel talking about goal setting. Do go ahead and check those out. We're going to detail about how to set smart goals to grow your hair. So check out those videos and really write down a plan of how you're going to achieve this. Where do you want to see your hair in the first quarter, the second quarter, the third quarter, and the fourth quarter of this year? But also you could have a 5-year plan for your hair, just like you do for any other parts of your life. You could write these down and then they become achievable. Writing down your goals and really sticking to them is a great way of growing your natural hair. Now, my hair would not have grown if I didn't have a solid hair care regimen. I encourage you to also get one. I've created a playlist on my channel detailing routines and regimens, simple hair care regimens that can really work for you, so do go ahead and check that out. But having a routine and a regimen allows you to know what you're going to do to your hair when. So on Thursday, I deep condition my hair. Now, the regimen is what I put in that deep conditioner, how long I have it on for, but the routine is when I'm going to do that. So having that down, written down, means that you're going to stick to what you've got planned. So put it on a calendar wherever it's accessible and make sure that you stick to that routine, because then your hair care becomes second nature because it's down, just like brushing your teeth. So I encourage you to have a solid regimen for your hair care. So length retention is really what we're after. When I talk about growing a natural hair, your hair is going to grow anyway. If you do nothing to your hair, it will grow, but we really need to focus on retaining length. Now, I've been incorporating a lot more water into my regimen. I've told you, even in my new starter kit, that one of my number one things is to have a spray bottle. And so make sure that you have a spray bottle and incorporate water wherever you can. I've created a wash day playlist. Now, I'm washing my hair a lot more often, but I'm just applying water to my hair, and I'm seeing great progress. My hair is not breaking, it's retaining length because of water. And wherever you can water down your products, do that, because your hair really will grow and retain length when it is moisturized. Next up, and this tip is especially if you're high porosity, you will need to have protein in your hair. You need to get the moisture and protein balance right. So I've talked about incorporating water into your regimen. You also want to make sure that your hair has protein in, especially if you're high porosity or medium porosity like myself. And I get mine through using hair cholesterol. I've talked about that on my channel. I'm yet to do a full review of hair cholesterol, so do look out for that video, but I've gone into detail about my henna treatment, and henna is a great natural protein that you can use, but make sure that you have protein so your hair is strengthened and able to withstand the styling and whatever else that you've got to do to it. And finally, my hair was able to retain length and grow by trimming and dusting and keeping on top of my hair ends. You don't want to cut off too much if you're trying to get to waist length. Dusting is absolutely fine for doing that, but you want to make sure that your ends are looking okay. You don't want to get to waist length and have see-through hair. So really keep on top of your dusting and trimming regimen. And we're going to be doing that. We're going to be doing that this year. We are going to be growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong by sticking to our routine and regimen, by sticking to our goals. Now, do you think that I can actually claim waist length from the videos that you've seen in these clips? I don't think so. I believe that with 4 inches of hair, I'll be able to safely claim waist length. Although if I stretch my head all the way back, as I've been doing in this video, my hair does land on my waist. I want it to comfortably land. But with our hair type and understanding our hair texture, our hair will shrink. So even when my hair is waist length, it's probably going to look shoulder length to most people. So also you really do need to have realistic expectation. My hair is stretched and straightened in this video, hence the length, but realistically it will shrink back. So I want to just remind you again, go ahead and check out the Grow Your Natural Hair in 2022 playlist, and also the videos that talk about setting goals. And when you watch those videos, do go ahead and write down your goals, implementing the tips that's in this video, as well as watching my playlists that are designed to help you to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So do go ahead and watch the 2 videos that accompany this goal setting, why you don't achieve your hair goals as well, and that will be able to help you to set realistic goals that you'll be able to achieve in 2022. I also want to encourage you to join our challenge, which runs from the 21st of February to the 21st of April. And in this challenge, just leave your hair alone challenge. The aim is to grow our natural hair longer and to have healthier hair. It's not too late to sign up. So if you want to join, put your name down below, follow the videos that accompany this, and we'll be able to grow our natural hair together. I've done this so that we can motivate each other. Really want this channel to become a community for you to be able to have a hub where you can grow and find knowledge on taking care of your natural hair. As you know, I've been doing this since 2009, and this is a great way that I can impart some of the things that I've learned. But also do use the comment section down below to share any other tips that you think will benefit anyone. And also, once again, put your name down below in the comment section. Also, do let me know you like this video by giving it a like, and also hitting the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the videos that I post on this channel. I haven't mentioned in the previous tips, but this year I'm actually using my own natural hair to mainly grow my hair. I'm not using much synthetic hair. If I do use synthetic hair, it's to just give my hair a break, whereas before I was mainly using my own hair to give my hair a break from the synthetic hair. Hopefully that makes sense. I've found that by doing mini braids, mini twists and other styles on my natural hair, the hair that grows and retains is a lot healthier than the one that I grow with synthetic hair. So this challenge will be using mini braids, but I've also done a mini twist playlist. Do go ahead and check that out, where I'm encouraging you to really show you the benefits of doing these styles on our natural hair. Really, the growth that we get from it is much better in the end. I've been at waist length before, but the hair was not healthy. So I'm encouraging you to follow along and to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong with us here on Simply Shev. So that is it. That's my video recapping some of the tips and techniques that's allowed me to grow my hair to this current length. I believe my hair is currently sitting on my bra strap length, and the goal is to get to waist length. That's about 4 inches. As you see, where my finger is right there is just below my bra strap, and it will comfortably sit at waist length with 4 more inches. And I just want to share these tips to be able to encourage you to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. Hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.